Introducing Apple Vision Pro.
These tech products have some insane features which I'm going to be explaining. After the launch of this product, there has been a mixed reaction about this particular tech product, and I myself also have a question. Is it safe for human consumption? What are the negative effects of using a Vision Pro, a tech product that takes you from reality into a different world of tech? And does it endanger the life of people using it? The cost of this tech product is $3,500. Is it affordable? Definitely, one thing is sure, this is not meant for everyone. It's meant for those that can actually afford it. And seeing that this tech product has its own inbuilt OS on it, is the privacy of or the information of every individual secured by Apple. So all these and many more which I'm going to be looking at, and I think Apple should have considered all this before launching this product. What do you think are the special features this Vision Pro has? According to information gathered, it said that the display of this tech gadget is far better than 4K display, which simply means the display quality is very good and you get to enjoy live reactions and live movies and a whole lot on this tech device. This tech device is just like an Apple phone but in a different form, because it has its own OS operating system installed on it. The question I've always had with this Vision Pro is this: since most features on it is being controlled by the eyes, does it mean that the eye is going to be stressed out, or does it have any negative effects to the eye? And according to Apple, what is said that apart from being lost in the environment of this Vision Pro, it also has a transparent feature in which you can be able to see those that are outside world. Does it connects you between the inside world and the outside? That means you can also control people that are at the physical part of this world and also the digital world. So it's like bridging the gap between the invisible and the visible. Apple have also assured us of the sound, that the sound will be one of the best, that they won't disappoint on the sound. That once you are able to use this product, you get to enjoy a better 4K display and great sound while using this tech product. The Vision Pro also has something we call iris scanner, which simply means it can scan your eye and know who is using it. Maybe whenever there's a new person coming to use the tech product, or maybe it's the same person, it scans every individual, which also tells you that your identity and your privacy is secured. Another thing that is said by Apple is that with these tech products, the Apple Vision Pro, you don't need any other plug-in equipment to connect to it. It works in different ways. It does everything in which is needed to be done. Last but not the least, Apple has assured everyone that this tech product is environment friendly. So in conclusion, all these tech products have its own positive and negative effects on individuals, on we human beings. So all we have to do is to be able to have control over it, control how we use it, and control how it's being used, and with that there won't be any problem. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the like, share and subscribe to this channel. Have a blessed day.